Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to English Unboxed. So you probably know the meaning of the suffix ish. Don't worry, it doesn't mean disgusting. It's used to form adjectives that say what a person, thing, or action is like. For example, childish, which means behaving like a child, or foolish, which means silly. Now, what you probably didn't know is that the suffix ish can also be used to form adjectives that mean quite, barely, to some degree. And believe it or not, it's pretty common in modern English. Please stay with me to know more. Now listen to this example to know how to use this suffix ish correctly. Hey, what does John look like? Well, he has a reddish-brown beard. Now, what does reddish-brown even mean? As you can see, it's used in combination with some other colors to create a more accurate color combination. Reddish, brown, it's not exactly red, it's not exactly brown, maybe somewhere in between. It's not limited to colors though. Listen to this example. Hey, what time does the class start? Well, it usually starts at 7-ish. I think it's kind of clear what it means. It means it starts at around 7, right? So probably because the teacher is late or the students are often late, and the class starts at around 7. So you can go with this awesome expression. It starts at 7-ish. So let's say you're talking about the weather and the other person asks you, hey, what do you think I should wear? You're just coming from the outside. You probably know better. And you're like, you should wear something warm. It's coldish. What you mean is that it's not extremely cold, but it's still cold. It's fairly cold or it's quite cold, which is why you say it's coldish. So you should wear something warm. So let's just say that you're walking on the street with a friend of yours and your friend says, hey, let's go get something to eat. And you're like, yeah, I'm hungry-ish. So it's just another way of saying I'm kind of hungry. I'm hungry to some extent. I'm not extremely hungry, but I'm still hungry, which is why you say I'm hungry-ish. So as you can see, guys, the kind of suffix that we're dealing with here is a pretty flexible one. So you can use it at the end of almost any adjective you want. Why don't you try it? Later, when you're speaking about something and you don't want to go with that extreme version of that adjective, you can add the suffix ish to the end of it. Hope you enjoyed watching this video, guys. Signing out, Miles.